Hello, this is my updated bike check. So we'll start off with the front end, which we have ODI grips and Mutiny Glamroid bars, which are really sick. Mutiny wands or forks. My front wheel is Vendero 2 hub laced to a Odyssey Hazard light. And I'm running a Odyssey P Light tire, 225, and E-Clat Hannibal stem, which I just got, kink headset. Let me see, what else is there? The frame, which is a We the People Versus, E-Clat seat, also I just got with this animal seat post. E-Clat cranks, tibias. Mutiny is a, yeah, sprocket's a Mutiny, 28. I run 28 now. My back wheels, you can see it's a G Sport back rim, laced to a ratchet and 9. And another Aiken tire. What else is there? Pedals are E-Clat Plaza pedals. Let me see what else is there. My pegs. Both of them are Odyssey JPEG lighters. And I think that is it. That is my bike. You can see it again. Alright. There it is.